We are at this building, this behavioral health building or something in Colorado Springs. It's just got modded. It's got red innovation. That's kind of rare.
The
Red?
flavor of the water at each water fountain. Not that the water fountain's flavors.
Oh yeah, because some do taste way better than others.
Going up.
Oh, this is a new mod. Dovers as well. Oh man, these were probably old Dovers too. Bruh. Oh, they have. Oh, they have those goofy. Well, it's not too new because it has those dumb COVID sticker things on the buttons.
Yeah, they didn't.
Look,
take
they
them
just make it
off.
look brown. Like just
They fade over time.
hydro. I say just take that crap off. Honestly,
We make it to the top this time.
I'm kind of like that, Connie.
Yeah. We got a card reader on here.
We got to the top anyway.
We made it. Oh, this is a private floor.
Floor 4.
The whole floor.
Yeah.
You're supposed to make the sound.
I know. the elevator, just floor 4. Oh shit, we're not here. Got a shot of the buttons for the thumbnail.
No, I was saying the retarded sounds.
Oh yeah, because that was the behavioral level.
The family care center.
Oh my god.
We're just like, it's okay. He just likes seeing the elevators. You're just screaming elevator at the top of your lungs.
Elevator. You know what? Probably wouldn't be too out of place in the community.
Nah, Julian got banned from all the buildings in Florida one time because of the fact that he was too loud.
Floor G.
Oh, this is not where we came in.
No.
Anyway,
Do you love how elevators have like leaning
that
panels?
will be all.
Or the leaning bars?
Oh yeah, they've always had those.
They're more for like